So we have questions 151 until 155. So let's see one by one. So here column 1 and column 2 given, and we are asked to match the column 1 and 2, and the organs, okay, of the following organism is given, and you need to match, okay, which suits which organism. Okay, so let's start. So first one, let's take honeybee. Honeybee is an insect, okay, and they have the excretory organ, right? Which is the excretory organ? It's Malpighian tubules. So honeybee Malpighian tubules. Then Belanoglosis, okay, they have probiosis, which is a help for secretion. Earthworm have nephridia for excretory organ. Then flatworm uses flame cell. Okay, so based on this check, okay, let's start with A2. Okay, A2, B3, A2, B3, C1, and then D4. Okay, so it will be option D. So here your answer is D. Then the next question is from biomolecule, topic proteins. Which of the following statements are correct? Okay, so we need to check which statements are correct. Proteins are heteropolymer containing strings of amino acids. That's true. Proteins are not made up of single amino acid, but instead they have a wide varieties of amino acids. There are 20 amino acids which are involved in protein synthesis. So their combination gives us different proteins, which are coded by the codons in the DNA, right? So biology describe the protein structure at 4 levels. True. Primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary structures. Okay, true. Then the first amino acid is also called as N-terminal amino acid. This is also true. The first one is known as N-terminal. The last one is known as C-terminal. Okay. Only some portion of the protein thread are arranged in the form of helix. This is also true. Okay. Then the long protein chain is also folded, okay, upon itself like a hollow wooden ball, giving rise to the tertiary structure. This is also true. Okay. The line is from the book. It's direct line. Okay. So it seems that all the options are correct. Okay. So option will be the D, where you have all the correct options. So answer is D. Then you have next question. Okay. It's a confusing question if you don't care. Okay. So male frog have large vocal sacs. It's true. Okay. Than. Okay. It's the word is than. Female don't have a large vocal sacs, or female don't have a vocal sacs. When female don't have a vocal sac, you cannot compare whether it's a large or small. Okay. You can compare between two male frogs, that this male frog have a larger than that male frog. You cannot compare with a male frog with a female frog, because female frog don't have a vocal sac. Okay, so this statement is wrong. Okay. Frog exhibits sexual dimorphism. Yes. By seeing the frog, you can distinguish whether it's a male frog or female frog. Their size is different. Okay. For some species, the coloration may be different. Okay. So this is true. So based on this, you have first statement is incorrect. The second statement is correct. Okay. We'll go for option C. Then we have question number 154 from biomolecule. Now you see that biomolecule chapter is important because lots of questions used to come. Okay. So give importance to it. Then you have, let's see the enzymes and their functions. So the first enzyme is, the statement says that enzymes catalyze the removal of group from the substrate. Okay. So here in the list of enzyme, the one which can remove the group from the substrate is lyase. Okay. Enzyme catalyze interconversion of optical or positional isomers. Okay. Like in glycolysis, you have studied about the isomerase, which convert glucose 6-phosphate into fructose 6-phosphate. Okay. Then the enzymes which catalyze oxidoreductase, these are also known as dehydrogenases. Okay. Then the enzyme catalyzing linkage, okay, or that link, DNA ligase, you already know that. Okay. So based on that, we have A4, okay, A4, then we have the B1, then we have C2, okay, and we have D3. Okay. So here option C, okay, suits the question. Okay, so here the answer will be option C. It's a direct question from the book. Okay, you can go through it. Then we have the statement from movement and locomotion chapter. So here we have certain statement. Okay, statement 1 and 2. Then we need to compare. Human ribs are bicephalic. Okay, as they possess two articulation surfaces. Yes, you know, cephalic, cephalo means head. Okay, so two head structure. Okay, and as they possess two articulation surfaces. That's true. Okay, it's true. Then floating ribs are not connected to sternum ventrally. This is also true, right? Floating ribs are not connected ventrally to the sternum. This is also true. Okay, so here both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Okay, so your option will be, the answer will be D. Okay, then see you in next video.